So for this question here, we're looking to identify the two statements that are correct for an alkaline solution. So I always like to draw a wee scale, pH scale, when it comes to questions like these, where I remind myself what the pH is for something that's an acid, something that's an alkali. And then in the middle we've got neutral water. And then I also like to put on the ion concentrations. So for an acid, you've got more hydrogen ions. For an alkali, you've got more hydroxide ions. And for a neutral substance, you've got equal concentrations of both of them. So then we can go through the statements. So we're looking for an alkaline solution, which would be at this end. So a pH less than 7, well now we can see that's not true because it's a pH greater than 7. So A is not a correct answer. Then B, it conducts electricity. So anything that is ionic, an ionic solution, will conduct electricity. Because the alkaline solution has hydrogen and hydroxide ions, then there are ions that are free to move, so it can conduct electricity. So B would be a correct statement. Then it contains less hydroxide ions than pure water. So we actually can see from our scale that it has more hydroxide ions than pure water. So that's not a true statement. It does not neutralise dilute hydrochloric acid. So an alkaline solution will neutralise an acid. So that is not a correct statement. And then when diluted, the concentration of hydroxide ions decreases. So as we dilute something, we're adding water, so it's becoming more like a neutral solution. So as we go dilute it, the pH will decrease and there will be less hydroxide ions as the hydrogen and hydroxide ions start to balance out. So that would also be a true statement.